Yes, Pips. We back at it again. The gang doing it.
For sure.
Part 2.5.
Last vlog I was sick and my girl was involved in the vlog, so she told me don't think about it, but now there you'll have to just go and bring me home in a barrow. Bad fellas making it happen but you. You can't drink again. Ding dong! You must stand up there, must ask first.
Love, I want to say vlog.
How the pina colada taste in there? That is the quote. That is the quote. Ed. Guys, we're here. Welcome back to my channel. You know. So you guys, you know, it's AK in the building one time. Visit.
Sure, mother, what's up? Big up Papa, not less chance.
Got no less chance of answering to St. Lucia. Come on, who does that?
Who does that?
We doing Father Nature, water diving, snorkel diving, waterfalls, rock landing, vines.
Oh, you're going too far though. We're offering
waterfalls, fruits, adventurous.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Tuvola in Marigo. Let me tell you, I'm hungry already. I just reached there. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay? We're outside.
Who?
That man there too.
And don't subscribe, follow. Yeah.
Yeah, we there. Fresh catch and things. Yeah man, fresh catch.
We're outside, yeah.
We're outside. Y'all hear that. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay? What's happening on the end there? Because that ends out.
Sweet and chili, baby.
Sweet and chili? Okay. Yeah? Sweet and chili. Sweet and chili, people. Hey, sweet and chili. Sweet and chili, I ain't that.
If you want more, just come and check me.
I will check you. How is it there?
We have the Riri. We have competition there.
Yes, Pips. We back at it again. The gang doing it.
For sure.
Part 2.5. We outside.
Relax. Yeah, people like the goat head there, they're dealing with it accordingly. Let me tell you all, according. Big up the papa and that there one time. Yeah man, we there. So they're organizing it in the pan there. Boy! It hot, me say. It hot. Yeah man, we outside. For true. Yeah? Yeah, people, we have our bread food there. They have 2. I don't know why they're so small, but 2 we have there. For G vibes. Yeah. 2 vola it is there, people. We in St. Lucia, for sure. We large. We outside. Yeah, people, they have water spots in the whole Just now I'm going to go right in the water there. I have to go and experience that. Just done already. It's my second time coming here. First time for Mushy, I feel. But we there. Yeah? Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That is it.
Yeah.
How you mean?
First time I go taste that. You go to it. Yeah, man. So you that organizing the.
Yeah, man. The goat head. Me that taking care of everything. My chef chopping up the seasoning.
So you roast it first?
You have to burn the goat head. You mean? Remember last meeting? We kill the goat.
Yeah.
So right now that we have the head and the feet, we have burn it, we scrape it. So right now we chop it up.
Yeah.
So it have to have the little burnt taste. And we put 1 2 little meat to consomme in it.
Yeah.
So we cooking that by itself like a sauce.
Yeah.
And then we have 12 power flour. Make some big dumplings, you know.
Boy.
We go channel vibe.
Yeah. Go disinvolve.
Go get up.
We outside. Yeah, man.
Alright.
So that is the seasonings all for the goat head, eh? Yeah.
Yes, you want salt?
Oh, you that season the wings nice, so.
Yeah, man.
Boy, people check where the wings coming from. Raw content, y'all don't know already. Big up bad fellas making it happen for true. We outside. Yeah. Whole gang. Yeah. The boss behind the wings there, roasting it.
Then we there. Sweet and chili.
Sweet and chili wings, eh? Check on the breadfooter, Pipit. Check on the breadfooter. Kenny checking on the breadfoot.
Just come and ask me a question there.
You have to just give it a little rinse up.
Yeah.
Then we strain in that water and then we give it. Put
Okay,
it to boil
people,
it
just a little rinse up and not nothing too much to take out the taste.
That is it.
You all know already, so yeah, people. I just showing y'all how to do the vibe same time too. Y'all don't know 758 we large. Bad fellas making it happen for true. We outside, yeah? Alpha's not less trans. Yeah. What are they?
That's a very nice cocktail, ain't it?
What are they, bunty and hot dog?
Yeah. We're not saying sausage because my sausage in my pants right now, ain't it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Understandable.
Understandable.
Yeah, people. Y'all done know already. Everything set.
Last vlog I was sick and my girl was involved in the vlog, so she told me don't think about it, but now there you'll have to just go and bring me home in a barrow. You know already.
They want you to drink until tomorrow.
What time is that like that?
We are going. We have to go on that Mush. On the kayak. Mushy. What not going on there? They have more. Hey, people, sweet and chili again. I doing it, people. Yeah, man.
Look me there. Who need the pina colada there? What one? Fish. Bad boy. You want the next colada? I found this now. Get shit.
Yeah, people. So they put the goat head there on the fire. Yeah.
Welcome back, people. Wait. You like that even here?
You want one again, Saba? Go and look for, go and ask them, mister. Go.
You come in the bowl. The bowl come in there. Them empty the bowl already. Oh, the bowl empty. This is my boy wing for me there. Boy, look.
That's true. That's true. Boy, no place to eat doing, boy.
Taking a button. I am one of them.
I feel like we take a virgin, yeah?
You're a virgin?
Yeah.
Say no more.
Give them fellas, girls that do thing already. I yourself want a virgin.
I am a virgin.
What the vibes, people?
Back at it again.
Part 2.5, people.
Big up, Julie. So you know we still forget the cup. We just make sure you have to use what you have to get what you want.
It's true. Don't dig.
Axe you'll not get, do axe you don't.
Let's get to this all at one time.
That is it. Hold it up.
This all at one time. Spark.
There you go, brother. Pina colada. Just follow the umbrellas.
How it taste? How it taste? How it taste?
Yeah. Yeah.
How it taste?
How it is? What are they? What?
The virgin you man.
Virginia on that?
That's I don't even feel you know what you want. You. That man I know what you want.
No, we don't make virgin today. It's Sunday. We don't make virgin. That is it. That is it. What the fireball? Just make sure that. That is it.
What the fireball?
Ladies,
What a speedy. All speedy speed.
You got all more white rum for me.
Not me, no, they're giving me virgin.
They're giving you
Virgin, they don't give me virgin. Now man never give me alcohol in my thing. Virgin alone. How the pina colada taste in there?
10 out of 10. For sure. You, I need my glasses. What? I said,
Manas.
Check it out.
People have to go on that in a while. Yeah, man. We outside. Rock landing.
What we doing? We go fancy. And what we do for $500, I bring it up to one
We out there, bad fellas. There are bad fellas out there, people, for sure. Chick tourists can't prepare you.
We can't stay from anticipate. And now what this is more constructive of solution to the danger trauma. What we tell them? Now it's the time to pull our guns. Cause when we reach the waterfront, we doing the
Yeah, people. That is the process, see?
Somebody local.
So,
Serious thing, eh? Somebody local. Somebody in the chapter.
Jay.
Yeah, people. I feel like the next bite I go buy.
But you just buy that, you tell me. But hear that, you tell me you just buy it.
Sometimes. Sometimes I just buy it. You never know. But that is the vibe. Some people I don't see looking at me. Tell me in the comments. We outside, we large. Man's out here. Yeah, people, we're on the water now. Whoop, whoop. We're outside. So guys, we are here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, okay? I'm on a floaty, okay? Saba here too. Say hi, Josh. Say hi, Josh. Hello. Yeah, people, you don't know how we rock already. 758 we launch. Big up everybody watching that channel. We outside in Babonneau. You know, we outside in St. Lucian's, in fact. Sly Fox, big up yourself. I know you watching, you know. Hey, look, there are fellas that want to be on the camera, and they have the spirit of St. Lucia. They're with them, so I go in by them now. Okay, so just stay tuned. We're outside. Yes, sir! Why are you in the water if you're shades?
Yeah, man's outside, the sun is out.
You watching, you watching.
Yeah.
Big up yourself one time. For true. Yeah, that is the Kawe segment. What you have in your hand there? That's not a bounty, that is the border beast. You have what? What you have? Stuff.
We have pink flower in our cooler there. Everything balanced. That's the best thing like that. What's better than that? What's better than that?
Nothing.
We have our real and stuff up there. We have everything. We have our bar. We have everything over there. Everything that's nice. Nice. Pull up. Yeah. Because before so massive, Babonneau massive. Yeah.
Yeah, people, big up Father Nature one time on the track. You know?
Wonderful time. We having it.
What are you telling the people?
Lad, big up Babonneau massive for us. Make sure you like and subscribe. What's up? Like and subscribe.
I just come here to They said that is the Kawe section. Father Nature! You in the Kawe section! Hold on, let me jump on that there. But the holy thing, shall you try anything down there? Just stand up now. Bad people, we outside. Yes, Kawe section. Hi, princess. You on his life jacket, eh? Not better than the Bounty. What's Mushy people? Got Mushy, got Mushy. Let's go. What y'all drinking there? Boda Sati. That is the Boda Sati. Father Nature. Big up Father Nature one time on the track today, people. Bad fellas making it happen. For true. Rock landing. Flood drinking today.
No rock landing and flood drinking.
I think you're just doing life jacket drinking, you.
Live there, man.
Our YouTube.
Why you want to read on
We never go lava. So guys, I'm back by the port again. I'm back by the port. The fire that burned me there. But let me show you all what's going on. For true. Yeah. That is the vibe there. That is the coat. That is the coat head. Yeah, people. Big up the chef one time. Yes?
Je ne parle pas d'applaudissements, tout est bon temps, j'avais bon pour l'autre reprogrammé. Tap, 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 au bout dans ta gueule, ne me dis jamais arrête, t'inquiète, qu'est-ce qu'on peut finir? Gloup, 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 gloup.
But sure. Happen my bush. My bush. Boy, my gas thing in there, look at the boat there. You go box the boat. Go so. Right. That is it. I hear about you.
Yeah, people, we outside for sure. 2 vola. Flying fish. That's true. They just calling it 2 vola for sure. Rock landing and to go. And to go. They're full of CX there, people. But I have to see where I could put my feet in.
Rock landing. My season it and sit down. Don't worry, I go catch it for you. I go hold it, Sabane too. Sabatas. Your mom wanna want to go jump. Cliff jumping, rock landing. I know that.
But you always coming back up on that now.
Try your
I'll not
best.
throw you down. We have to go back by the wall for me to come on board.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah. So go in.
Catch us when we by the wall.
Yeah, people.
Pato, you want to keep our fast, man?
We outside. For sure.
Outside, everybody don't make it out.
Bad man thing, yeah? Yeah. Bad fellas making it happen for you. You can't drink again. Ding dong! Ding dong! Dog, you up there, you go mate in your poopers. I warned you. You know the end. Mushy, take it easy, you know the end.
Mushy, God, boys.
Pressure.
We just bathed them on there, yeah. Just. You have that there? Go and take us, we give them a soda water. Kenny, go and take us soda, we go give us soda water. Yeah, we go give us soda water.
No, me that bring you, no, you that bring me. Well, there you go. What am I doing?
The deep it on the room, I'm going to take it. Really mash pell and take a mash pell.
Bad man thing, yeah?
Love, quite bounty say black.
But bounty, you see what you have him man doing? You have to check on him man, you know.
And what?
Bang on that! Say fellas fucking up your bounty cruel. What that kind of fucking acting there? Pussy! Yeah, I tell you.
Put in there, Kenny, put in there. Put in there, Kenny, put in there. Sit down there, Mash, sit down there.
No.
Stay there.
Wait, let me watch that. You're still there, though. What you mean, now?
We're on.
No shoot,
We're on.
You're still, so there's no shoot there.
Soda water, revive time.
I hope one people will do.
That's it, Daddy. Check for on. Oi, check. Mushy. What that for? Yeah, me see that, you know. What's it? Back on there.
They have too much bounty, too much bounty for you. Too much.
I know Jet Burke.
If much guys are there, must drinking that.
But if must stand up, they must ask first. Alka-sign.
Jingle. Oh, hey. Anyone singer. You know, can do even have a phone on you.
You're lucky. But yeah.
I think we have to bless Mushy people.
Yeah. No, yeah, drinking it. Yeah.
We announce you.
Drunk.
Drunky. The blessing. The blessing. R.I.P. Bless him. You did good today.
You did good today.
You did good today.
And shambala. You cannot drink the bond. They can't break your arms there, uncle.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey. Girl, you are mother. Hey, you son of
I'm making it happen there.
I'm the best back at the guys, boy.
We outside for sure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, you see the red button? You see the red button? You have to hit the red button. You see the red button? Subscribe to the channel, guys. We outside.
Yeah, we outside.
We outside.
I like this sauce. Yeah, you see this sauce? C'est plus mais bah là.
Wait. I go on it.
I yourself had my bucket empty, proper. For my first time, the vibe was nice. You blessed us with a lot of bread, eh? Yeah, man. Big up yourself one time. Yeah, man.
Might do it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we large.
It's so hot there on that. It's been hot. How they do that, man? And everything going on. I want to know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
We have a cow to villages now. Let's take a whole lot. A cow this side.
Steven, look, you're outside.
Look the Rasta behind the grill over there. Yeah. You're outside. What do you have to say on the goat there, Rasta?
Yeah, boy. That goat never in it right. That goat have too much energy. Watch me sweat. Watch me. After a bowl of pump.
I yourself at the bucket, so I can't even tell you the thing. Bad fellas outside.
For sure. For sure. But now it's about 2.5.
Stay tuned. We back again, people.
You see that fellas that killing animals around? Yeah,
For true.
yeah.
For true.
Oi, your vacation finish already? Vacation finish, are you already?
Clean. Monday. GDH.
Boy, so easy.
Yeah, people, big up yourselves one time. Big up Father Nature. Big up the Fix-It dudes. Y'all don't know we outside. Big up the Ras one time and the Vibe one time. But Jack on the ball. Everything level. So people just party. No war, nothing except Mushy, the drum. Okay? They have to babysit him. But everything proper.
Man's really outside, eh? Man's really outside.
They babysit
But
him.
you.
I gotta take it, baby, next. What's that? Because it's big. Because it's big. I tell you, big belly system. Big belly system. Big belly system. Big belly system. I tell you, big belly system. I tell you all what I get in is met me with
Real bad fellas, making it happen. Yeah. But you, yeah. They're saying that I
Big Valley season! Big Valley season! Big Valley! We outside.
in excess. We killing 2 cows, 4 pigs, and 3 goats. Right. And we calling out the whole gang.
And I'm dead serious.
Them kind of thing that make a man a partnership, no situationship, no relationship. Them kind of thing that make a man run. Girl, you're a size of money.
So here what I do, spot over me, let me put it in you. I the power, soul with your ex-model. There's a bad marker, you gotta swing through. Boom, clean and sticky and blue.
What you say?
Open up like a open up.
What you there? 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 What you there?
No way no time to do. When you hear the bass line, the girls start to whine. When the bass line, the girls start to whine. When you hear the bass line, the girls start to whine. When the bass line, the girls start to whine. So here what I do, stop over me, let me put it in you. Girl, wine and double down. Turn around and give me some. Look like she got the gummy. Half man like what them do me. Listen to them. Look so gummy. Wet, back, wet, bend, wet, not wet, shoot, wet, short, wet, just, wet, sticky, sticky like chewing gum. I'm like double gum. Turn around and give me some. Sticky. stick to me like silly guns. The way that the berry just beat them. Girl, get up on the neck.
Josh! Josh, you have to represent. You have to represent Josh, Captain. Yeah, not anything, but not less. Yeah.
I go give them an attack again.